Here we have a 2020 Dodge Durango RT. This one comes in the blacktop trim. It's in that beautiful ice white exterior paint on black leather interior. It has that 5.7 liter V8, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. And there's your sleek front end there. And there you've got your 20-inch black aluminum wheels. And here you have your controls for your power door locks, power windows, and power mirrors. Got your memory seating, along with your upgraded sound system. And there you've got a power driver's seat with power lumbar support. And this one also comes with dual DVD entertainment. And actually pretty good rear seat room the way that the seat's set up. So I can fit my knees behind it because of how the seat is made, because it's taller up, or comes back more up here. But can also recline in this as well, which is really nice. And down here you've got 2 AC vents along with your dual stage heated seat controls. And then there you've got a 3-prong household plug-in if you want to plug in an Xbox or something. And you've got controls on either seat. And actually not bad room in the rear seat either. As you can see, you've got plenty of room. And as part of your upgraded sound system, you do have dual speakers in the doors. And there's the rear there with that dual exhaust. And there's your rear trunk space there. And if you want to even make more space, you pull up here, then the seats fold flat. And then to pull them back up, you just grab the strap. Then you can fit 2 more passengers back here. And for the passenger seat, you've also got power with power lumbar. So there's your steering wheel. Leather wrap, feels really nice and sporty. And over here you've got your navigation system. And there's your backup camera. You've got controls for your heated and cooled seats as well as your heated steering wheel. And then down here, you've got your dual zone automatic climate controls. You've also got your volume controls and your radio controls over here. And you can toggle your sport mode, your eco mode. And then you can also pull up the climate on the screen as well. But you have AM, FM, XM radio, along with Bluetooth audio and USB. And then you can control the rear media from up here as well. So pretty neat. And then you've got yourself a power sunroof here. There's a view of the rear seat. And here you've got your glove compartment for your owner's manual and such. And this one has a set of wheel locks. And then back to the steering wheel. It is power, tilt, and telescoping. And then you can control your gauge cluster through here, which the center is digital. And then you've got your Bluetooth controls down here to the left. And then you've got your cruise controls over here to the right. Got those paddle shifters. And then over here, you've got a trailer brake controller as well as push button start. And then there's your key fob with remote start. And now for the best part, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at that engine. There's that 5.7 liter V8 HEMI. So next we're gonna go ahead and take this Durango RT out on the road for a test drive. So definitely very, very sporty in sport mode. And I love that exhaust note. And now we're gonna dial it back into eco mode for a sec. So eco mode is still pretty strong, but it's definitely not as high strung as in sport mode. And as you can see, it's got the power there when you need it. But it really just works to save you as much fuel as possible driving around in a 5.7 liter HEMI. But I really like the stance of this Durango. It feels really nice. I like where I'm sitting as opposed to everyone else out on the road. And this steering wheel just feels really, really nice. So we're gonna try the paddles for a sec and put it in sport mode. So not bad shifts at all. And I do really like that exhaust. I can't say enough about it. And this V8, the higher it gets in the revving, the better it sounds. Just a great sound from that engine. So since I can't really accelerate hard, I'm gonna go ahead and test out the eco mode and see what kind of fuel mileage we get. So at 70 miles an hour, we're definitely getting at least 20 miles to the gallon. So we're probably getting somewhere in that 22 to 23 range, which is what the EPA estimates. But a really smooth but firm ride, if that makes sense. It feels very controlled, but it is a great ride. But this brings us to an end of my review of the 2020 Dodge Durango RT Blacktop.